Hi alle sammen. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to talk about pets in Norwegian. Learning the Norwegian language can be a fruitful and enriching endeavor, and a fun way to dive into it is by exploring the vocabulary related to pets or kjæledyr, kjæledyr, kjæledyr. In our discussion today, we will be taking a closer look at the A1-A2 level vocabulary, which involves learning about different pets, a range of descriptive adjectives, verbs associated with pet care, and popular phrases to use in conversations. Basic vocabulary: kjæledyr, 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 pets. Let's start by learning the names of various pets along with their indefinite articles, which explains the gender of each noun. En hund, en hund, en hund, a dog. En katt, en katt, en katt, a cat. En fugl, en fugl, en fugl, a bird. En fisk, en fisk, en fisk, a fish. En hamster, en hamster, en hamster, a hamster. En kanin, en kanin, en kanin, a rabbit. Et marsvin, et marsvin, et marsvin, a guinea pig. Ei skilpadde, ei skilpadde, ei skilpadde, a turtle. Adjektiver, 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 adjectives. Descriptive words are essential in painting a vivid picture of your pet. Here are some common adjectives accompanied by indefinite articles based on their gender. En liten, en liten, en liten. A small one. En stor, en stor, en stor. A big one. En vennlig, en vennlig, en vennlig. A friendly one. En leken, en leken, en leken. A playful one. Relevant verbs. Relevante verb. Relevante verb. Relevante verb. As you care for your pets or kjæledyr, 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 you will find these verbs handy. Å mate, å mate, å mate, to feed. Å gå tur med en hund, å gå tur med en hund. Å gå tur med en hund, to walk a dog. Å stelle, å stelle, å stelle, to groom. Å leke, å leke, å leke, to play. Å kose, å kose, å kose, to cuddle. Populære fraser, populære fraser, populære fraser, popular phrases. Building phrases can help in creating a natural conversation about pets. Try using these popular phrases. Har du et kjæledyr? Har du et kjæledyr? Har du et kjæledyr? Do you have a pet? Hva slags kjæledyr har du? Hva slags kjæledyr har du? Hva slags kjæledyr har du? What kind of pet do you have? Kjæledyret mitt veldig lekent. Kjæledyret mitt veldig lekent. Kjæledyret mitt veldig lekent. My pet is very playful. Jeg elsker å gå tur med hunden min i parken. Jeg elsker å gå tur med hunden min i parken. Jeg elsker å gå tur med hunden min i parken. I love to walk my dog in the park. By focusing on the topic of pets or kjæledyr, 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 you have enriched your Norwegian vocabulary and taken a meaningful step toward becoming proficient in the language at an A1-A2 level. Practice is key, so try to use your new vocabulary as much as possible in your daily conversations. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with an NLS Norwegian language school. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lesson, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. Patreon.com NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos and podcasts and gain exclusive perks like member only chat, transcripts, early access to new content, Discord access, etc., for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no,